Hello, beautiful being of light, of love, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alicia, and today I will be guiding you through a gentle Kundalini Yoga practice. So when you're ready, come down to your mat and we'll begin in easy pose. Bringing your hands into Anjali Mudra at the heart. Taking a nice deep breath in and out to land completely in this practice. We'll begin our Kundalini Yoga by tuning in with the Adi mantra. Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. It means I bow to the divine wisdom within. Kundalini Yoga is a devotional practice to your mind, to your body, and to your soul. Deep breath in to begin. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. We'll bring our thumbs up to our third eye space. And pressing your palms together, allowing your belly to soften and relax. Release any tension in your thighs. Relax your shoulders. In Kundalini Yoga, we elevate our energy up through our chakras, up through the energy body, awakening to greater potential, opening our third eye, taking your inner gaze into your third eye space, feeling the pressure of your thumbs. Take a nice deep breath in. And gently open your hands like a book, signaling to the universe that you're ready to expand. We'll bring our hands down, place them on our knees. We'll begin our movement with some gentle neck rolls. Inhale as you drop your head back and around. And exhale, chin to chest. Reversing directions. Beautiful, sitting up nice and tall. Bring your hands out in front, right hand over left. Clasp your hands together. We're going to do solar twists. Inhale to the left, exhale to the right. Come through center, deep breath in. Squeeze your glutes, squeeze your core. Channel your inner energy all the way up into your third eye space. Tuck chin to chest. Hold, squeeze, lift. And exhale. Bring your hands down onto your knees. And we'll do some Sufi Grinds. Same general idea as the neck circles, but we're just using the lower part of our body. So as we inhale, we sweep forward. Exhale, we roll through the shoulders and come back. Moving, awakening the energy at the base of our spine, where the divine Kundalini energy sleeps coiled like a snake. That is what Kundalini means. She who is coiled. Following your breath, feeling into the movement. We'll switch directions. And sitting up through center. Closing down your eyes. Relaxing your shoulders. Relaxing your belly and thighs. Noticing the subtlety of your inner energy. Making our way next into a tabletop. Wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Gazing straight down between your hands. Couple of deep breaths just to land here. Tuck your toes, find downward facing dog. Keeping a gentle bend in your knees, heels can be lifted. Drop the top of the head towards the earth. Maybe pedaling out your dog, taking any gentle movement that would feel good for you. And then we'll land here. On an inhale, right leg lifts. Exhale, bring it through, find low lunge. You want to bring your ankle right underneath your knee. If it takes a few steps to get there, that's fine. Lower your left knee. Engage through your glutes, engage your core, feel really nice and steady here. We're gonna find Jupiter Mudra, the mudra of expansion, left thumb over right, index fingers together, and we're gonna take that mudra up as we sink deeply into our lunge. Chin gentle tuck, gazing straight forward. If you want to test your balance, you can close your eyes and gaze into your third eye space, feeling the connection of your whole body. Reaching up, pressing the right foot into the mat, feeling a nice deep stretch on the front of your left leg. And then go deeper. Go one layer inward. How is your breath? Is there any ruminating thoughts that are coming? Just notice. Be here. Be present. One more deep breath here. Exhale, drop your hands. We'll step all the way back, downward facing dog. Pedal out your feet. Take it to the other side. Left leg lifts. Bring it through. Low lunge. Take your time. Getting a nice steady base. Finding Jupiter Mudra. Left thumb over right. Index fingers pointed. Bringing that mudra up and sinking into your lunge. Option, of course, to close down your eyes and focus on your third eye. And going one step inward into the breath. Noticing any thoughts, maybe some resistance. One more deep breath in. Exhale, release the mudra, step back to down dog. Exhale all the breath out. And come to sit in easy pose. We'll end with a little meditation. Bringing your hands on your knees, we'll take Gyan Mudra, index finger under thumb, palms facing up. Allow your shoulders to roll back and down. Gently tuck chin to chest. Relax any tension in your belly. In your thighs. And taking your awareness down into your root chakra at the tip of your tailbone, where the divine Kundalini sleeps, your pure potential, divine life force energy. We'll take a nice deep breath in and out. At the root, at Muladhara, imagine the energy moving freely, openly, rising. Bringing your awareness into Svadhisthana, into the sacral chakra, just below your belly button. Deep breath in and out. As you again imagine the energy moving freely, rising. Moving into Manipura, into the solar plexus, just above your belly button. Deep breath in and out. As you notice the energy moving freely, elevating up into your heart space. Deep breath in and out. Feeling the energy move in Anahata, expand and rise into Vishuddha, into your throat. Deep breath in and out. As the energy elevates and moves freely, connecting with Ajna in your third eye. Deep breath in, deep breath out. As you become aware of the expansion of the elevated state of your own beingness, the energy flows and connecting with Sahasrara, the crown at the top of your head. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Feeling deeply into your own energy, into your own beingness. Feeling elevated, vibrant, and free. Bring your palms together, thumbs into the heart in Anjali Mudra. We end with the mantra Satnam, truth is my essence. Deep breath into chant. Satnam. Satnam, beautiful being of light, of love. Thank you so much for joining me for this practice. I do hope that it has helped you to feel lighter, elevated, joyful, and free. If you're here, if you're hearing these words, please leave me a like or a comment down below and let me know how you enjoyed this practice. Thank you so much. Take sweet care. Bye.